Hello friends, you are welcome in Abhinav Raj YouTube channel. I am Abhinav Raj. Currently, I am pursuing undergraduate course B.Tech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Saharsa College of Engineering Saharsa 2K22 batch. This is the channel for you. Our objective is to learn and teach as much as possible. We teach the main point of the topic which help students to get knowledge very quickly and help to write in the exam also. Today we will discuss the presentation on fundamental of monolithic IC technology. In this presentation, we will cover the following topic. Introduction to integrated circuit ICs, history and evolutions, fabrication process of monolithic IC, which is four types of process fabrication. First one, material preparation. Second, crystal growth and wafer preparation. Third, wafer fabrication. Fourth, testing, bonding, and packaging. Let's study to integrated circuit introduction. An integrated circuit IC, also known as a chip or microchip, is a compact, miniature electronic circuit that consists of semiconductor devices like transistor, diode, and basic components like resistor and capacitor, all fabricated on a single pieces of semiconductor material, usually silicon. Now we will discuss history and evolution. First IC invented in 1958 by Jack Kilby at Texas Instruments Figure A and independently by Robert Nike at Fairchild Semiconductor Figure B. The invention revolutionized electronics by replacing bulky and less reliable discrete component circuits. Now next, monolithic IC. Monolithic IC technology refers to the fabrication of all components of a integrated circuit: transistor, resistor, capacitor on a single chip of semiconductor material, usually silicon. The word monolithic comes from Greek word monolithos, meaning single stone, highlighting that all elements are built on a single substrate. Now, next, fabrication process of monolithic IC. We have four major steps involved in fabrication. First one is the material preparation, second, crystal growth and wafer preparation, third, wafer fabrication, fourth, testing, bonding, and packaging. Now let's study one, material preparation. Silicon is most abundant element in the form of silicon dioxide. The sand is allowed to react with a gas produced from burning of carbon, produces 98% purity, further purified in a reactor to produce electronic grade. polycrystalline silicon. Second, crystal growth and wafer preparation. Create single crystal silicon wafer from raw silicon. Use the Czechoslovsky method to grow a single crystal of silicon. The crystal is shaped into an anchored cylindrical rod. Anchored is sliced into thin dices called wafers. Wafers are polished and cleaned to prepare for circuit fabrication. Third, wafer fabrication. From the desired IC components and interconnection on the wafer. First, oxidation. Grow a layer of silicon dioxide on the wafer surface for insulation. Second, photolithography. Transfer circuit pattern onto the wafer using wax and UV light. Third, etching. Remove selected oxide layer to open window for doping. Fourth, doping, diffusion or ion implementation. Introduce impurity to from PN cells. Fifth, epithelial growth. Grow a lightly doped silicon layer for active results. Six, metallization. Deposit aluminum to create electrical connections. Seven, passiveness. Add a protective layer to prevent contamination. Fourth is testing, bonding, and packaging. Once the IC components are fabricated, they are tested and packaged for uses. A. Wafer testing. Each chip on wafer is tested using automated test equipment (ATE) to check functionality. All chips are marked and discarded. B. Dicing. The wafer is cut into individual chips using a diamond saw. C. Bonding. Each die is attached to a lead frame or substrate and tiny gold or aluminum wire are used to connect chip pads to package leads. D. Packaging. The die and lead frame are encapsulated in protective package, plastic or ceramic. The final IC package has pin or lead from connection in electronic circuit. Thank you so much for watching my this video. Like, share and subscribe.